flats, I got a V12 under the bonnet.
Just arrived at this place called Palmitos Park in the middle of the mountains. You can see the view. I think it's absolutely beautiful, to be honest. So this is like a kind of like a what do you call it, zoo kind of thing with loads of animals.
The zoo park.
Yeah, and we're now just walking through these little small, but I can't see any animals, so we don't know what to do right now. Some flamingos. So we're literally about to go to a dolphin park to go and watch some dolphins. But this place is so pretty. And right there is where the dolphins show is.
So para todo nuestro equipo y que disfruten de nuestro show, te digo a los Brasil and enjoy the show.
Okay, morning guys, this is the next day. So today we're just doing a bit of shooting and we're about to go to a buggy tour. The sand. The sand. So we are in the Maspalomas dunes, like the dunes, literally, and it literally is just mountains upon mountains of sand. I literally feel like I'm in Dubai right now, and it's really, really hot. It's let me just show you. It's just mountains of dunes. It's one of like the main attractions if you come to Krakow. Like you could literally just end up falling in the sand if you're not careful, because the dunes, oh my god, like I can't actually show you because it's actually fucking scary. This is like mountains. Yeah, mountains upon mountains of just sand. Like if you step 1 foot there, that's it, you're gone. Like that's like a whole 60 meters down. So it's like standing on mountains. If you see people standing right there, look at that. Look how high they are. It's fucking beautiful. And there's more and more, like the more you go, but we're just gonna stay here because it's honestly just a lot. Literally now just on a boat ride. Let you see. The water is just right underneath us.
I am not going any further. No, the fuck you're gonna mourn away then.
Yes? Hey. Just let it come.
Fly over it. You know we can go down there.
Could we?
Yeah. We can go down there.
Okay, let's go
The
down.
rain was less there, the beach, no?
I don't know, you know. I don't actually know.
So I'll pull up on the beach.
Okay guys, good morning. Today's home time and I know I look very plain. We're just at this mall in Gran Canaria. It's so pretty. Like, look at this. Like, the scenery is absolutely crazy. Just, you know, doing some last minute shopping before going home and stuff. So, yeah.